We'll do a couple different things. We will spar in a second, but we're gonna actually work on your side kick to get that really good. So the biggest thing with your side kick, I don't care if you're facing it first or you're sideways, but the biggest thing is you're using your glute to actually push the bag out, right? So I'll do it on both sides so you can see. So when I'm here, I'm bringing this up and then using my glute to come out, right? So I'm here, and I get the extra push. So when you see it over here, you'll see this up and then out. So you want to extend it through the bag. So you're cutting through and then coming in, okay? So we really want to make sure at the end point, you're pushing it totally through, all right? Whoever's the bravest can go over here. And then we have 4, there we go, Jeff. All right, so we're just gonna work just right now, just on that side kick, and then I will fix you up as needed. So kick right through. So when it comes up, so you really can use that glute. If I, because I'm short. Yeah, so if
just to get that.
yeah, now push through it and you'll have it. There you go.
So you want to just focus it.
Yeah. There you go. That was good. Yes. Good, so I wouldn't lean too far back. I would kind of just maybe lean a little bit and get the push with this out. So by the end of this, I want to make your side kick like one of your best kicks that you can just apply. I have faith for all 3 of you. For Heather, we'll just, however she does is fine.
She's going to do the best out of all of us.
She did great last week. Good, now for you, don't bring it back so far, more you're coming right out. Yep, and get the extend.
I'm going to fall over.
It's matted.
It's mad, I know.
That was better. Now at the end, kick through it. There you go. There you go, you got it. All right, so we're just gonna watch, we're gonna go down the aisle. We're just watch Jeff do it, okay? So he's coming in, boom, right? He's pushing right through, all right? We're gonna watch Calgary. Good, I liked it. Yeah, good. I would try to get a little bit higher, but that was fun. You wanna try again? All right. Yeah. Good. All right, so now we're gonna go back to Jeff, the other side. So you will have a dominant side. There you go. There you go. That was a better one. Okay, good, much better. So now we're gonna do your levels. So what we're gonna do, and this is just for a drill, you obviously wouldn't do this in a real fight, please. It's not 1970. So from here, you're gonna come in, pop it low, bring it right back, and then pop it mid. Okay, so you're gonna pop it low, touch back, and then come in. So you were going too far. I'm gonna lean a little bit, but that's just to bring this up and come in, okay? So it's here, 1, drop it, and here. So when I make contact with that bag, I'm kicking it straight through, okay? All right, try that. So you're gonna go low, then mid. There you go. And then we'll see if you can get like your, so you're almost like in a front ball. There you go. Good. Good. All right, so if you're nasty, you're gonna try 3 levels, okay? So you'll pop it, low, come back, mid, come back, higher. Now, again, you're not side kicking anybody in the face, okay? That's not, if anything, you're gonna see how we're gonna use in a second, but just so you can get your hip range, 1, 2, and I'm a little higher, 3, okay? So the higher you get, the more balance that you have to use, all right? So you're gonna try a low, a mid, and a high. My advice to you would be don't do the mid so high, because then it's gonna be hard to get over it, all right? So go low, then go mid, then go like mid-high. Again, your hip only goes up to the side so much, right? You're not a gymnast where it's coming up like this. So. That was a good kick, Sarah. All right, so what we're gonna do, you're just gonna do, oh, there they are. You're just gonna do a power side kick. So Now that you've done it for 3-4 minutes, you're just coming in with your best side kick. If you have to close the gap, you can just take a little step and then bring this up. Okay, so I could step behind, but a lot of times if I'm too far away, I can step slide. So I have a step slide and then push. If you want to do the step slide, bang, and then that's your push through. All right, so you can do a standard one or you could step slide. Okay, don't kill Amanda. Here we go. And Calgary's got the sandbag. And if you get hit as the bag comes and hits your face, that's your fault, and I will laugh. Jiu-jitsu is like the only place where you can take like children and throw them legally.
True.
All right, so we're gonna watch everybody. We're gonna start with Heather though. We're gonna go backwards. Good. Good. Nice kick. Okay, good. So again, if you were fighting, like if I was fighting Heather like this, like I'm not throwing the side kick like this, right? Like it's not, if I set it up and I need it to come in. But you'd really do it is if I'm over here with Jeff and she's coming at me, I can pop it up, right? And then you could come in. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pair up and we can get rid of the bags, but we'll have our kicking shield, okay? So let's say I'm working with Jeff. So Jeff's gonna be facing Calgary, say he's fighting Calgary, but I'm going to just slowly just come up to the side, okay? So when I hold my kicking shield, my arm's through, it's against me here. I'm just gonna come in slow. When he's in range, he's just gonna pop me back. Okay, we'll do that about 5 times and we'll switch. I'm just coming up, bang. If I wanted to be nasty, I could probably come up quicker and see if he can get it. The only thing you have to be careful of is that as you go quicker, he's gonna go quicker, which means the force is more. All right, because you have 2 forces coming at each other. Make sense? All right, so I'll move the bags. You're gonna start with Calgary. Just figure out your rhythm first. There you go.